are going to solve the maths from chapter and end exercises of chapter number 12, that is mensuration. So we have already completed all the concept or all the assignment from this chapter. So in this video we will just solve the maths, very short type maths from chapter and exercise. So we will just solve the maths from section A up to this. Only fill in the blanks, true, false and MCQ question. Okay, so don't need to solve the maths, long type maths from chapter and exercise, because you have already completed all type of maths from the previous assignment. So from this chapter and exercise we will just solve the such short type maths, that is MCQ questions, true, false or fill in the blanks. Okay. First question, if the sides of a regular park are x plus 1 and x minus 1, that is, this is the length, this is the breadth. So what will be the perimeter? What will be the perimeter? So you know the perimeter of a rectangle. You know the formula of perimeter of rectangle. 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into, what is the length? Length is x plus 1, breadth is x minus 1. Okay, so 2 into x plus x. So 1x, 1x. So 2x, 2x plus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 2 into 2x, that is 2 to the 4. So the answer will be 4x. The answer will be 4x. Okay, next, in the figure ABCD is an equilateral, ABC is an equilateral triangle. PQRS is a square of side 1.2 centimeter. If both have same perimeter, then find the side of the equilateral triangle. So the perimeter of square and perimeter of triangle are same. So if you can find the perimeter of triangle, then you can get the side of the triangle. So how can you get the perimeter of the triangle? So perimeter of triangle and square are same. So if you can find the perimeter of square, then you can find the perimeter of triangle. So the perimeter of triangle ABC equal to prime perimeter of square PQRS. PQRS. So perimeter of square PQR is 4 into length of side, that is 4 into 1.2. So this will be 4.8 centimeter. So the side of equilateral triangle is perimeter divided by 3. Perimeter by number of side. Number of side is 3. So perimeter by 3. Perimeter is 4.8 divided by 3. So this answer will be 1.6 centimeter. 1.6 centimeter. Next, question number 3. The breadth of a park is this and this meter long. Where is required for fencing it? That means this is the perimeter of this park. You have to find the length of the park. So breadth is 15.4 meter, perimeter 82 meter, long where is required for fencing it. That means 82 is the perimeter. So the length, let the length be L meter. So you know the formula of perimeter, 2 into length plus breadth, 2 into L plus breadth is 15.4. This equal to 82. L plus 15.4 equal to 82 divided by 2. This will be 4 to the 8, 2 1 is 241. So the length will be L equal to 41 minus 15.4. So the answer will be 25.6 meter. 25.6 meter. This is the length. 25.6 meter. Okay. Next, the question number 4, 5, 6. This type of question you have solved in your previous class. So I hope all of you can do this. Next, question number 7. An equilateral triangle shaped where is ribbon to form a circular ring. The radius of the ring so formed. So the perimeter of the triangle and circumference of the circle will be same, because this triangle shaped where is rebuilt to form a circular ring. So the perimeter of the triangle and circumference of the circle is same. So the perimeter of the triangle, how can you find the perimeter of the triangle? Perimeter of the triangle is, this is equilateral triangle, so 3 into length of each side, 13.2, so this will be 39.6, this much centimeter. So the circumference of circular ring is 39.6. Let the radius of the ring be r centimeter. So you have to find the value of r. So you know that the circumference of the is 2 pi r. 2 pi r equal to 39.6. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 39.6. Value of r will be 39.6 into 7 upon 22. So 22 by 7, if this value is shifted from left to right, so this will be 7 by 22, and 2 1 by 2. Okay, so for this point you can put here 1, and after decimal there are 1 place, so you need to place here 0. Okay, 11 2 is 22, 11 দিয়ে আমরা ক্যান্সেল করছি, 11 দিয়ে 22 কে ক্যান্সেল করলে 2, 11 3 is 33, 6 36 হচ্ছে। এবার 2 দিয়ে আমরা 36 কে 2 9 2 18 is 36, 2 দিয়ে 18 কে ক্যান্সেল করলে 2 9 is 18, so 9 7 is 63 divided by 10, so this value will be 6.3 centimeter. So the radius is 6.3 centimeter. The radius will be 6.3 centimeter. Next, question number 8. One side of a parallelogram is 16 centimeter. The distance of the side from the opposite side is 7.5 centimeter. Then you have to find the area of the parallelogram. So the one side, that means you can put here, this is a base, and the distance between two sides, that is 7.5 centimeter. So this is the base is 16 centimeter, height is 7.5 centimeter. So the area of the parallelogram will be base into height. So the answer will be 16 into 7.5, 5 16 is 80. So if you can multiply this number, 112 200. So this much, 200 centimeter square. Sorry, if you multiply these two quantity, you can get 1200. This much centimeter, so here will be decimal. So 120 centimeter square. Okay, so this will be the correct option. Next, the distance between the circumference and radius of a circle is 37 centimeter. The area of the circle, the difference between the circumference and radius. Radius of a circle be r centimeter, circumference is 2 pi r. So the difference between the circumference and radius, so 2 pi r minus r. So this will be 37. So you have to find the circle, that means you have to find the value of r. 2 pi r. So r কে আমরা যদি কমন নিয়ে নেই, এখানে পাবো 2 pi minus 1 37. So 2 into 22 by 7 minus 1 37. 44 by 7 minus 1, that will be 37. R into 44 minus 7 by 7 37. R into 37 by 7 equal to 7. Then value of R equal to 7 into 7 by 37. Sorry, this will be 37 into, so the value of r is 7. The area of the circle is pi r square, that means 22 by 7 into 49. 154 centimeter square. So the answer will be 154 centimeter square. Question number 9. Okay. So now the question number 10, O is the center, then the area of the shaded region. Shaded region area আমরা কি করে পাবো? Inner radius 7 cm, inner radius 7 cm. সো আমরা এই শেডেড রিজিয়নটা পাবো আমরা যদি আউটার এরিয়া থেকে ইনার এরিয়া সাবট্রাক্ট করতে পারি। ইনার রেডিয়াস 7 সেন্টিমিটার, ইনার এরিয়া উইল বি পাই ইন্টু r square, pi into r square, that is pi into 7 square, so 22/7 into 49, 154 centimeter square. This will be the inner area. Outer radius will be 14 centimeter, so the outer area will be pi into 14 square, that is 22/7 into 14 into 14. So this will be 22 multiplied by 28. 22 multiplied by 28. So this will be 616 centimeter square. So the area of shaded region 616 minus 154, 462 centimeter square. This will be the answer, 462 centimeter square. Question number 10C. Okay. Next, true or false? In the next page, there are some true false questions and fill in the blanks questions are given. So try to solve these questions by yourself, because this is very easy and you have learned all the concept of mensuration chapter. So I hope all of you can do this. There are some types of formulas and there are some short questions. So try to solve these questions by yourself. But if you can't do this question, you will ask me, then I will tell you the answer. Okay, so you have to solve up to this. Only fill in the blanks, true, false and MCQ questions from chapter and exercise. Okay, so I hope all of you can solve this, and but if you can't do, then you will ask me. Okay.